Look at that thing, man. Chrysler. What is this? Oh.
I mean, it's I love the, you guys like swap between heat. That is feeling.
Plymouth. Oh yeah, you smell that? Smells like brain damage.
Yeah, this one's like belvedere.
Belvedere.
Like how they used to, the Fears of Ford or Belvedere.
Okay.
I got a sock. The guy front word,
Funny.
decapitated.
That's so funny. Is this lowered?
No, I don't think
No, okay.
BC coilovers probably.
yeah.
Decapitated.
Yep. Yeah, no, all the old ones used to call it tap top. Like, I love having spare parts around, and I need to fix his heads, and I need to put rods. I bent two foot rods at the other end. I got caught on something wrong. Dude, it's still in the 6-volt system, not 12-volt.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's got generator, not an alternator.
Oh, that thing?
Yeah.
Oh damn.
Yeah, it's a generator, not an alternator. It's original, like that's sick as shit.
I had good luck with the college. With the intake for that blue collar solid.
So common swap 12-volt system.
If they drop the previous power bomb in the barrel, it'll seal itself up.
Brakes?
The other car,
Brake was by no brake usage, so no power brakes anyway. Oh, fun, it's spicy.
Yeah.
the shape doesn't matter.
What's the tag then?
It's just the
Those are
driveline
factory OEM tags, like the part numbers that they used to wear on, like the 58?
Yeah. I love the white wall.
Oh, I love white walls.
Is that the place you got the fries?
Yeah,
Stevie's there. Yeah.
One day you're gonna have like this.
I still have the rest of the suitcase muffler.
Yeah. I mean, exhaust is one thing that everyone's open to, but like,
You smell that? Smells. Yeah, that's a good smell right
smells
there.
like sex.
Jesus Christ.
I love the horns in them too, eh? You just grab that bottom bar.
Yeah.
Just grab that and twist it.
That's fucking cool.
I love the horns in them. God, I love a Belvedere.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That one. Yeah.
Well, that's fair.
Pretty biased.
Well, should we go that way?
There's fries over there. I don't know
where the fries are. Yeah, we're
It's right
supposed to
there.
buy fries.
It's right there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
We'll
my
do that.
Okay.
135 minutes.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh, there's the yellow Challenger with a rod knock.
True. Might as well take a look. That's rare. Fastback Charger. Fastback, that's a rare one right here. This Charger right here. Imagine replacing the windows on this one, man. That's rare. Fastback Charger. This is rare. Look at the backlight. That's what you need. It says Charger right across it. Just Mopars. Yeah, just cruising there. Yeah.